Hi, my name is Guan Zhang. Today I'm gonna talk about the ultimate solution for every startup mixer with my story. Before I met my first music mixing mentor, I felt painful in the darkness. Why? Because I don't have any guidance that I can easily follow and immediately get the result that I want. There is no one who can teach me the whole picture, the view of the whole picture of how to learn mixing a song. So that is exactly what I needed at that moment. And after I watched tons and tons tutorials videos on YouTube, it seems to be that I get confused even more than before. So I start to think about, I have put in my energy, my time, my money, my effort for over 5 years, but at the end I got nothing. So what can I do? Quit, keep moving. The music is very important to me. Every time when I got some struggle in my life, no one can just be like the music with me. So I love music. I don't want to lose any opportunity to get involved with music. So that's why I'm going for the music mixing career. And I don't want to lose it. And I just would like to live with music, work with music, and sleep with music. And my dream life is starting from make a living on mixing music as a full-time job or business. It's just a start point, but I don't really know how to get there. I was totally sad at that time. But that's what I was lucky at that time, because when I almost close to quit mixing music, my first mentor showed me the result that I want, gave me the learning recipe, and it's just like I just did what I did in the past 5 years, or even easier, and it's very quick. After 3 months, I start to see the result that I want. Then I get my first paid client, and I start to have more and more confidence to pursue my dreams. So I made up my mind to make it happen, to make it come true. And that's how I start my Strong Tones studio. And now I'd like to help people to mix a song just like my first mentor did for me, and I will show you how can I help you soon. And that's all today I have for you. And if you would like to learn more about the musical production, mixing techniques, tips and tricks, click the like button and comment below. Let me know your story, or let me know your thoughts, or share this video, or subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.